Witness the awe-inspiring power of nature at Yellowstone National Park, home to majestic geysers and vibrant hot springs that will leave you breathless. Feel the thrill as Old Faithful erupts, a spectacular reminder of the Earth's living spirit. Marvel at the colorful, grand prismatic spring, a kaleidoscope of hues reflected in its steaming waters. Explore a land where bison roam freely and waterfalls cascade down towering cliffs, creating a paradise for adventurers and photographers alike. Don't miss this chance to immerse yourself in one of America's greatest natural treasures and subscribe to Globe Glimpse for more stunning destinations.